Well, okay, he's going up the stairs. Okay, I'm gonna shut this door. I'm shutting this door. Here, where is he? Oh crap!
Where's the towel?
Here.
All right, wait a minute.
Okay. There he is. Let's try to get him upstairs.
Okay.
Oh, I locked the door down there. Oh, he's gonna hit the... Okay, let's try to get him. I shut that door. So he's pretty much... Okay. Oh crap!
Frank! Frank!
Oh gosh!
Frank, get him, Frank! This poor bird.
I know, poor thing. At least he's out of the wall. I shut the door down there so he can't get back in the wall.
You know what I have to do is open this door.
Well, let's try it.
Well, we gotta get Frank out of the way.
Let's try to get him out in the garage and then we can open the garage. Okay, you do that. Oh gosh. Oh crap.
Oh, he's up.
Okay. There he is. Don't poop on my chair, please. Okay, let's open the...
Oh, Frank, no, don't jump on them. Don't jump.
Oh no, is he in the tree?
Oh, don't jump on the tree, Frank.
Oh, he's on top of the tree. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't let Frank get out though. Oh my gosh.
Come here, little birdie.
Okay, let's see if we can get him. Come on, bird, go outside. No, not that way.
Get that bird, Frank.
Ah! Oh gosh. Micah, you're doing a horrible job of catching him. He's gonna poop on something. Oh gosh.
You're supposed to catch the bird with your hand?
Well, okay, let's get the cat and then let's try to open that door all the way. Oh, he's back on top of the tree. Okay, grab Frank and put Frank in his little place right there. Okay, let's try to get him out. Okay. Go out, go out, go out! Come on, bird. Oh, come on, bird.
No noise in our tree. Come on.
Whoa. Oh. Listen, don't poop on my computer.
He's in the tree somewhere.
This is your moment.
Dang, he went the other way.
Come on, bird. Come here, bird. Yeah, you go that way. Scare him out this way. Oh, shoot. Almost had it.
Bird.
Dang.
Boy, this bird is getting some major cardio. Oh, go out.
There you go. There you go, bird. There we go.
There he goes.
Oh. Phew.
Jeez.
Good grief. Oh no, now another bird's attacking him. Well, he lived in our house for 2 days.
There's the bird that lived in our house for 2 days.